Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today I wanted to recap my 2020 patterns and videos for you. In January of this past year, I made a brand new how to crochet video for both the right and left hands. My star stitch hat became quite popular throughout the year. And I showed some techniques like surface crochet. Then in February, I prepared for the springtime with some flowers. And more flowers. Along with the kitchen towel holder with the hidden ring to hold the towel. I figured this would be nice for craft fairs, but this year had other plans for things like that. In March, I started off with Thinking Spring, but quickly turned to useful technique videos like how to hand sew and how to do Tunisian crochet. And then in April, everything really changed. I focused on things like vintage toilet paper hats, as well as handmade masks, and especially a step-by-step guide for how to use a sewing machine. My smiley certainly reflects the times. There were several yarn review videos too. In May, I showed technique videos like the vintage bullion stitch, as well as the arcade stitch, and how to crochet a nice step shawl, which works up quickly and easily. Then, in June, I showed how to make smaller projects with yarn that you probably already had in your stash. And who can resist these cute dog and cat magnets? Bavarian crochet was next, as well as a semi-scientific approach to how much yarn different crochet stitches take. July brought about more stitch videos and review videos. Also, several edges and stitches for your blankets. In August, I showed bright and colorful projects like roses and heart stitches. If you wanted to try something new, you could watch my video on crocheting with beads and wires. September was good to me as I reached 1 million subscribers on my YouTube channel and received the coveted gold play button. There were more projects that could be worked up quickly and with yarn already in the stash. By October, I had so many requests to do a pocket shawl video, and that was one of my most popular projects in 2020. I also continued with the useful crochet projects for your home. In November, I showed techniques like weaving in ends and another hat. Then it was Christmas projects until the end of the year. You probably saw a stocking, several baubles and ornaments, cute little gnomes, miniature ice skates, and folded fabric ornaments. If you missed seeing any, stop by my YouTube channel to see them again. And here's looking to a healthier and happier 2021. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.